If you're a financial advisor managing dozens of clients, annual reviews, follow-ups, and notes, this video is for you, as I'll be showing you how to use ClickUp as a simple CRM built for financial advisors. No complicated software, no steep learning curve, just a clean system you can trust. By the end of this video, you'll know how to organize clients and prospects, and also how to track meetings and annual reviews, store notes and client contacts securely, and never miss a follow-up or review again. Now let's dive in. I've included a link in the pinned comment and description which you can use to sign up for completely free. Once you're signed up, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. From here, I want you to pay attention to the left-hand menu option. So you're going to go over to the left-hand menu and you're going to tap right where you see spaces, and we're going to be creating a new space. So you'll tap right where you see space, and you're going to be calling this space clients. So you're going to tap right here and you're going to name it clients. After you have done that, what I recommend that you do, you're going to be creating a folder. So you're going to tap on create space. Now to create a folder, you're going to go in line with clients and you're going to tap on the plus. Then you'll see the option folder and you're going to call the folder CRM. So as you can see right here, a space is basically a department in your business, and then the folder would be a sub-department. So we'll create that folder by the name of CRM. After you have created the folder, the next thing you'll do, you're going to be creating a list, and the list will be called client and prospect management. So you're going to tap right where you see list, you're going to tap on the plus, you're going to select list, and we're just going to be calling it client and prospect management. For the sake of time, I'm just going to be calling it CP, and we're going to tap on create. After you have tapped on create, from there, what I like about ClickUp is it is going to be suggesting some statuses that you can choose from. And the status is basically the different stages in your pipeline. So if you see a status that you would like, you can tap on apply suggestions and it will automatically add that. So for example, you can see right here, you can see how it would look. I could tap on apply suggestions. For now, I'm just going to select no thanks, as I'll be showing you how to add it manually. So every client or prospect will be one task, as you can see right here, add a task. So for example, John Smith retirement planning client, you'll simply put in John Smith right here, as you can see right there. And for example, let's say Sarah Lee prospect from referral, you can simply tap on task and you could call the task Sarah Lee. So you'll type in Sarah Lee right there where you see task. And that's how you'll be able to add in your clients. You'll simply add them in right where you see the different tasks. Now we're going to be creating our own custom statuses. Financial advisors don't think in to-do, they think in relationship. So what I recommend that you do, you'll tap on new status at the bottom of the page right below task. And from there, you could add in task name. You could add in different statuses, for example, prospect. You could also add in a different status, and we're going to be selecting entire space. You could also add in a different status, for example, discovery call completed, client onboarding, active client, review due, dormant, and close. Those are all statuses that I would recommend that you add. So you can see how it would look right there. And now for example, a new referral starts as a prospect. So let's say we would like to move John. So we'll simply select John right here and you could add him as prospect. So that's how you'll be able to do it. So let's say we were to move him to this pipeline. You can see it right there. We have now added John as a prospect. And that's how you'll be able to set it up. From there, you can move him to a discovery call and so on. Now, how you'll be able to even better use ClickUp for advisors specifically, all you need to do is create custom fields. To create custom fields, what I recommend that you do, you can see right here, assignee, due date, and priority. You're going to tap on the plus. After you have tapped on the plus, from there you're going to be creating your own field. So all you'll need to do, you could tap on custom text. After you have tapped on custom text, from here, for example sake, let's say one of the custom fields that you would like to add is, for example, client type, whether that be retirement, investment, insurance, or tax. So you could type in client type right here. Then tap on enter. And then from there, you'll see different options. So all you need to do, you'll simply toggle this off. After you have done that, you can tap right here, right where you see text area, long text. You're going to tap there and you're going to select text. Then you're going to see the option manual field. You're going to tap on that and you'll select create. So you can see it right there. Then you'll select client type and you're going to drag and place it at the front. And that's how you'll be able to create custom fields. And you can create more fields, for example, risk profile, review frequency, whether that be quarterly or annually. And you can also create next review date, assets under management. You can tap on the plus right here and you'll be able to create all of these custom fields. So with this, you'll be able to filter your list to instantly see all retirement clients, which reviews are due this month, and also a conservative risk profile. That's powerful visibility without spreadsheets. The next thing I want to show you is how to track meetings, reviews, and follow-ups, as most advisors lose trust when follow-ups slip. To do this, all you need to do is use the subtask feature when it comes onto ClickUp. So you're going to tap on the client name. After you have tapped on the client name, you're just going to scroll down and you're going to see the option add subtask. You can tap right there. After you have done that, you can add in, for example, annual review. So you'll type in annual review right here. Let me do that real quick. You can also add in quarterly check-in or policy updates. After you have added it, the way how you'll be able to not miss another follow-up is you're going to set due date. So you'll tap right where you see the calendar icon. So let's say, for example, the annual review for this particular client will be the end of February. So for example, we can select it right there. You can also add in a particular time. So let's say the time will be 2 p.m. After you have done that, you'll be given a notification. You'll receive an email from ClickUp. So this is how you won't miss a follow-up. You can also create recurring review tasks. Every client automatically reminds me when it's time for their annual review without me remembering dates. So ClickUp becomes your relationship safety net. The next thing I want to show you is how to store client notes and context securely, as advisors need context, not just contact information. So what I want you to do inside each client task, from there you'll be able to add meeting notes, personal details, for example, family, goals, preferences, and also key decisions. So to add this, you can do it right here. You could add in description. You can also scroll down from here. You can tap on add attach file and you'll be able to attach a file or so on. So with this, before a call, you can simply open tasks and immediately remember why they're investing, what they're concerned about, what you discussed the last time. This will allow you to build trust and professionalism. Now, let's bring everything together. With ClickUp, you'll be able to use their dashboard feature to view everything. To do that, we'll close this. And at the top, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to select dashboards. After selecting dashboards from the left-hand menu option, you can see quite a few dashboards right here. And you can choose whichever one. For example, simple dashboard, or I would recommend that you choose project management, one out of the two. So let's say we were to select project management. You can tap on start free trial. Then from there, you're just going to select all. After you have selected all, you're going to tap on create dashboard. And you can see how the dashboard looks. With this dashboard, you will be able to review due this month, also active clients, prospects in pipeline, overdue follow-ups. So in under 30 seconds, you will be able to know exactly what needs attention. And this is perfect for a busy financial advisor, as you can see right here. Another thing is ClickUp isn't a regulated compliance system, but it's excellent for organization and documentation. So for best practice, I recommend that you keep notes factual, also avoid sensitive data where required, and use ClickUp to track actions, not replace regulated platforms. So used correctly, this improves consistency without risk. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative on how to use ClickUp as a financial advisor. If you want to build this exact setup, Clickup offers a free plan that works perfectly for individual advisors. I've linked it below so you can follow along. If you're an advisor, comment what type of clients you work with, retirement, investment, or insurance. And thanks for watching.